Hey there guys, I hope you're all fine. So today in this tutorial we are going to learn how to put image or picture in a shape in Canva. So without further ado, let's get started. So click on Canva, and now if you want to import your local files or the picture that you want to import, you can simply click on this image icon or simply click on the upload button on the top right corner and import from here. But I'm just going to simply choose my recent design that I have made. Okay, so this is the background and I will add it, and what I will do is add an shape here and I will show you. Now go on elements. It is important to note that you need to go in the elements section, not in the template section. Now you need to scroll down until you find frames option. So as you can see, there are various types of frames here that you can choose from. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I will just simply choose, okay, which option should I choose? Okay, I will just choose a simple rectangle option, this one here. Okay, so now we have chosen this and I will make it here. Okay, now here comes the important part, how you will put an image or picture in this shape. So now click on add icon, now click on uploads. Here you can upload your files from your mobile. I have already uploaded one, so I'm just going to simply click on it. And now what you need to do is you need to just put your finger on the image and move it around, and you will find it inside the shape. As you can see, now you can double click on it and you can adjust the ratio of the picture. So I will just simply make it here. Alright, as you can see, we have successfully added a picture in our shape in Canva. Alright, I will center this too. Alright, now it's looking damn good. So that's it for today guys. Hope you found the video beneficial. Feel free to ask any questions in the comment section. See you soon. Have a good day.